everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am needing another grocery haul, so I'm going to show you what I did this week that was different than what I usually do. Okay, so this week is very busy for us. We have carpooling this week. I have appointments in the afternoon and some activities kind of early evening. So I needed to do my grocery haul through Walmart's pickup service. You just go right in and pick it up. And I'm going to show you here how I did that. So you can just go to walmart.com and go towards their grocery app. You'll have to have an account. So easy. You just put in what you're looking for, or you could just kind of browse through. And then you can see I have little things hearted. That means I've bought them before in the past, and you just add them to your cart. And if you want to check what's in your cart, you can just move over towards the right-hand side of your screen and scroll down. And so you'll get to see how many items are in your count and what the running total is. Once you're ready to check out, they have like this page where you can add on things that you've bought in the past, or they may have some great suggestions for you. But either way, you can just continue to the checkout, pick your time and your date, and then you'll have the opportunity, you'll have to pay for it at the end. So it will be all taken care of and ready for when you are going to pick up. So easy, you guys. Wasn't that so easy too? I mean, you can just pay for it, and so now we're on our way to go pick it up. But you can see I'm just starting to make some of our planning for our meals. So I just want to make sure I have everything set up for the week. Even though like today or this day would be burgers and tater tots, I can do that any of the days of the week. But as long as I have a plan, then I know what to do. So let's go now to Walmart and go pick up the stuff, and I'll show you what I got. It is massive. I spent a little over $200, and I'll give you a final when I get there. But I got so much stuff, and I'm so proud of myself. So let's go get it, and I'll show you what we got. So it only took us like 10 minutes to get here. I just logged in on the Walmart grocery app, and so they've already known that we're here. So let's go. So we have currently in the back, someone's just loading us up. They take care of everything, and you don't have to tip them. They actually can't accept tips. So I tried to do that before, and they couldn't accept it. So just some information. What is that for? Thumbs down. He's just being a little ornery. He's ready for some lunch. Whew, we got a lot unpacked, but really it only took us about a half an hour to get to the Walmart, have them load up my car, and then I went and got a pizza for the boys for their lunch. So back home within a half an hour, and I did all that stuff. So let me show you here first what I have. I have a dozen of hamburger buns that I'll just keep in the freezer. These ones are really good. I really, really like these ones, and they're big. So good for lettuce and tomato. What's your favorite condiments and stuff on your hamburger? Are you an everything kind of person? Most of my family love just cheese, meat, and bread. I like all the other stuff. Okay, so I got just some wheat bread and then some more Grandma Sycamore. They did not have the Grandma Sycamore wheat that my kids like. They had like a sunflower and honey oat or something, which has seeds, which means Ezra won't eat it. He's a funny kid. And if you notice, 3 of my nails popped off. So this day is just going, whoo. Okay, it's more like this. It was like this, but now it's kind of like this. Well, we'll get it back up. You guys, no problem. Okay, and then I have here, I love getting these breads. It's kind of like a French bread, but this one is Italian. I don't know why the French bread one wasn't popping up on the website last night, but they're all the same price, $1. So just put these in the freezer, use them as we need them. So excited. So also right over here, I have more stuff for like stocking up. Some more waters. I have our favorite detergent, some toilet paper, and then baggies and foils as we need. All right, next up we got some pastas. So I'm still trying to stock up our pantry. Plus, I can be using these for our future graduates party. So the more info on that to come in the next month or so, but these will all get used. I love trying to have more of these sweetened condensed milks on hand. They're so good for having like a quick dessert. You have some graham crackers and you're halfway there. I got some tomato sauces to replenish, plus some corn. I use my my Shelf Reliance, my can organizer, so I just try to keep that stocked up. I got a couple more Pregos. Those are our favorites, go-to sauces. And if you want to make that a little more Italian-y, like if you're making lasagna, add a little shake of cinnamon. Some Rotel. This is perfect for making taco soup. If you don't have Rotel, you could just use the diced tomatoes and a little can of green chilies. It's kind of the same thing, but if I already have it, perfect. And then this is what I was looking for last week, were some sliced carrots. So I try to have some in the freezer and some in the pantry for just in case. And it's really good when you're making shepherd's pie and you could just get it right in there. And then this is actually my favorite pancake mix. It is really good. And I have a pancake recipe. I don't think I've ever really showed you guys, but it literally tastes the same. I don't know. So for now, convenience is what I need for now, but I do have the recipe and it tastes like pretty similar. So I'm not a fan of the Krusteaz version. I don't know if it's because it's buttermilk or whatever. I just think it kind of has like a soury taste. So let's keep going. Okay, so I got some of these yogurts. These are the best price for the amount that I'm getting that isn't Costco. So strawberry and peach, keep those in the refrigerator. Kids will eat them, hubby will eat them for breakfast. So, and I like these flavors, I think the best, the peach and the strawberry ones. Okay, this is something new I haven't bought before, is a Parmesan garlic basil seasoned butter. So I got all of those Italian breads. So my goal is just to use a few slices at a time and cook them with dinner and like have a little something special with the kids. So that way I don't have to go and buy those big the boxes of garlic bread already done and just put that in the toaster with the Texas toast kind of ones, which are good, but this one seems like it would be more economical and I think it'll be like taste the same. Do you make your own garlic bread? Let me know. And then I got some Parmesan cheese for a recipe coming up. Now I'm not a huge fan of Walmart's produce, but I did get some things like some carrots and some cucumbers. Those are pretty safe. I got some Roma tomatoes. I've been pretty happy with their Roma tomatoes. And then a 5-pound bag of just potatoes. Now these potatoes don't smell like fumes, which at some places it does. So I have to be careful about it. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, you have to check out some of my Winco haul potatoes because sometimes they just smell like exhaust and I'm not down with that. Okay, I did get these little these little tiny baby potatoes because I have a recipe. So I want to try that. We're huge fans of potatoes. I just got some bananas because they actually probably have the best bananas I've ever been at. Like if I go to Vaughn's, it's really hit or miss. And I just got some lettuce. And you guys, if you're ever doing a pickup like this with the Walmart pickup service, you know, sometimes you may get some things that you're like not pleased with. And there's a place in which I will do as soon as I'm done filming, go to the app and say that my lettuce, how is that a lettuce? It's like flat. I feel like maybe it was at the bottom of something and maybe they put the water on top of it or something because it's so flat. I don't think I've ever seen lettuce like this, you guys. Maybe this is like sandwich lettuce. I'm ready for sandwiches. Have you ever seen that? So this is only like $1.50. So I'm just going to go on the app and just say it was ruined or they have options. And so you can do that. And I don't like I don't go crazy with it. I just do it when I feel like I need it. In this situation, I'm probably just gonna toss these because I don't know if the lettuce is even good underneath it. I'll see, but this is not what I paid for. And I can already see it's very wilted, so it's almost like it was sitting under there for a while. So let's keep going, you guys. All right, here's my freezer portion, or my meat, some of my meats here. These are refrigerated right from the case. This is actually my first time buying them. I actually like to get the chicken breast on sale by my nearby store, but $1.99 a pound was not bad at all to me. So, and I think that these will be just fine on the grill. I also just like to get some frozen chicken breasts, and my favorite are the thin sliced, because then I know I could cook it really fast if I need to thaw them out, or if I have to hurry and put them in a crock pot. And I know I can have them cooked in a few hours. Some ground beef. I like getting the lean one, the 93.7. And then we get the burgers, the frozen ones lately. Now, this is my first time buying them from Walmart, but I love the ones we get from Winco. So I think these will be just fine. That's why we got the patties. And we only use 6 at a time for our family. And Paul doesn't even use the buns, so those buns will even last a little bit longer. Just some sausages, some breakfast sausages. These ones are my favorite. They're nice and round and will fit an English muffin perfectly. I know that there are some brands that are like these little teeny tiny sausages. Yeah, no, this one's it's gonna make a good breakfast sandwich. Just some more pizza, emergency pizza. We're stocking up, putting some more in the back freezer. And I am a fan of their tater tots. They're actually my favorite ones, and they are gluten-free. And then I saw this on the website, and I thought I needed to get that. Paul loves a bell pepper blend like that, but sometimes he doesn't like, I don't know, this picture just looked really good to me. So I hope it looks like that from the picture. What are the chances, guys? Okay, we're getting near the end. I think I still have another batch to bring forward, but these are some snacks. So I have some cookies for lunches. So I always put 2 in like one of the snack baggies for lunches to try to keep it, to lengthen the days it's in the drawer. But you guys, I know like there's 3 in here, so I'll do 2. I'll leave 1 for the kids to eat and snack on. I got some chips. I got just some plain chips. I got some tortilla chips. These are always good to have on hand. Good snack. And I got, hold on, I got some more snacks here. Paul loves beef jerky, and I have to be more selective on his snacks. So I always get some of these Kind bars, and he's been really liking these extra large protein ones. So I feel like this one, it says it's gluten-free. So these ones are like a breakfast for him because they're pretty big. These ones can go in a lunch or something, or have a snack when he comes home. And then he just likes to take these to work as well. This is the Crystal Light. I love the great value version of Crystal Light. And it's like 3/4 of the price. So instead of $3, it's $2. So, and this one's my favorite. Strawberry, orange, banana, in case you were wondering. I'm kidding. We love getting the lemonades too. Those are perfect for get-togethers and parties. Some milk. Notice I didn't get the gallon one. We've been kind of slowing down a little bit on our milk consumption, although we've been eating still a lot of cereal. So this one is actually Ezra's favorite today. If you've been following me for a minute, it feels like every couple months he has a new favorite. So he really did like those, the berries, the Captain Crunch berries for a while there, didn't he? Let me get the rest. All right, these are just the last few bits. I got some broccoli crowns. I forgot to show that when I was doing my veggies. That is what we used for just like as a side. But also I love making a creamy broccoli soup that we could pour over baked potatoes. That is so good. And if we have any leftover barbecue chicken, that is like one of our favorite meals right now. So I also got some ricotta cheese and some Mott's Kobe requested lasagna, so that's on my list this week. We just got some butter, some medium cheddar slices, and last but not least, some eggs. So I probably should have got 18 just because we're eating a little bit more eggs recently. So that's it, you guys. This cost me about a little under $220, and I just feel like I got so much. And I know we've talked about this in the past, that if you're putting some money dedicated to just stocking up your pantry, whether it's $20, $10, $5, every time you go, it starts to like add up pretty quickly. So a couple weeks ago, I showed you my pantry. It was looking a little bare. Now it just makes this mama's heart nice and happy when everything's full. My back freezer has a lot of stuff in it as well. And I just feel like everything is looking really good around here to last for at least a couple of weeks. But I like to go every week just to kind of get some more things and keep stocking up and then rotate those things out. Let me know if you have a system for your pantry or just a system for shopping for your groceries. I'd like to know, and then I think we can all learn from each other. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give it a thumbs up and let me know if you love grocery shopping, or do you think you would rather have the pickup service like I did today? So great for busy lives. Thanks again for stopping by, rollers, and have a wonderful day and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.